ngijwayele nje ukuba live njalo Thando. Suyenziwa yini lento yokuthi never mind. Hi Lushaba, njani? Ngikudelinde lamafirindi phela my friend angizwa into esho mina bisino usho idatha shithi sorry ke. Hi guys, njani? Right. Kaphila nami. Angina-energy namhlanje. Nginamdlandla. Njani Ghostly? Ghostly. Njani? Ngihlala eNewlands East. eDurban. Look at my crush. Hold on, Sam. Ngingaphethe ngibona kuhle ukuthi ngiyaphilisa. Hey Rolly, how are you? Am I allowed to compliment you? Can I come visit me? You can compliment, but like the other stuff was. Thank you for the rose. Thank you. I'm good. How was your day? My day was okay. Wasn't bad. Wasn't good. It was just okay. I was so nice. Hello, Jan. Hi, Nomengwa. Jan. Thank you to everyone tapping. Thank you so much. You got really beautiful eyes. Yes, I'm sure those compliments is useless because you get it all the time. Me getting a compliment all the time doesn't make it useless. If you say it, I appreciate it. I'm just like, thank you so much. I won't get it. Ukuthi ngithola njalo doesn't mean I appreciate when I get it from someone else. Ne? So keep the compliments coming. No, logo eating. Entonces tú cruz. Yeah, say two ngizolala kahle ngiyajabula uma ngizolala kahle. You look good, thank you. I like the energy here. I hope you enjoy afternoon next week Friday. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Enjoy your week too. Enjoy your afternoon. Next week Friday. How? Wait. Enjoy your afternoon next week Friday. Where am I going next week Friday? Oh yeah, Shunji. Just saying. Thank you. Oh my gosh. So I am married. Not on down. Can I text you on the side? Nope. Sorry, no. Young born and J man J. I don't want it. Crazy. That can make you like an interrogation room. Yeah, ne? Just a plain wall. Like crazy. Plain wall. Smile. I like your smile. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the gift, Abdi. Abdi or Adi? Abdi. Yeah. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Sorry. What's the chat saying? Exam season? Nope. I'm not. You're always beautiful, Mama. Thank you. C to C, Kelai. Ayuko C to C. So, Bunanala. Dunila. Thank you so yeah, Lala. See, I know different words. C. Yang include a pen mode C. Now we fact. I'm in Durban. Yep, I am in Durban. Say we in Durban. Hi. You come up so much. What is your zodiac sign? It's an Aquarius. Aquarius. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Bye, Abdi. Abdi. Oh my gosh. I'm looking forward to doing this December. Going out. I'm looking forward to going out. That's the only thing in December, Puma and have fun. My gosh. 2025 has been, oh Lord. 2025 has been a long, and I say long, okay, it wasn't long, but like when I say long, saying it's been tough. It hasn't been good. The lows were very low, just like how the highs were, very high. But I'm just ready for the year to end, honestly. Like 2025 now, I said get right. I'm going to see, but me get right. Thank you, Bunny Finnegan. Is it Finnegan? Thank you so much for the gift. In that case, I'm sure you've heard of the fanfare. Yes, I have. Bengithi ngizoya, but bengilokhu nje ngihlehlisa leyo ndaba. Sawubona ntokazi, sawubona kamashobani omuhle. Ngedwa hayibo iya wena nabangani bakho wayifuna ukutake mina along. Yeah, stranger. Hi, Wandisa. I enjoyed looking at you. I'm glad. I'm in Durban. Yes, I'm in Durban. Hello, hi. Hi, Sangiliti. Hi, Froggy. Is it Froggy or Foggy? Am I reading it right? I think I am. Hey. Ooh. Ngithanda igqomu change it so fast. Not ukuthi angilithandi abo futhi manje ngiyalithanda igqomu lokho usekuyahlanye hey kusho sesengilalela kakhulu but manje sebusuku and it's a Tuesday lekhane ngizana igqomu ayingeke ikwazi kahle uzamuhle nkosazana ngiyabonga Sanele, thank you. Hola sini lapho fezile hey mina ngiyazi lento yeni yohola inkosi yami angeke uzibhala wafana ngidala kanti kunani kunani hawu nkosi yami wefikani. I've been saying ukuthi yes, I'm in Durban. She said Dubai. Let's tell Dubai, let's tell Juice. It's so fresh. Thank you. You look so gorgeous. Making my eyes water. Thank you so much. Look, you're something stunning. You have this effortless charm about you. Thank you. Thank you for the compliments, guys. Thank you very much. Can you cook for me, please? I'm hungry. Oh, cook for you. Empty here. Pheke ekhaya mina. Come up to 11 is a no lol ya ne. Ayibo sebusuka manje for igqomu. Very late. Ya muhlezi wami. Ya macels. Njani mama? Sawaz. Hi, how are you doing? Hey, I'm doing okay. Holding up fine. Hold up. You know, please give me a child. Who, me? You wanna? You're gonna get blocked away now. You go ingane. Mina. You're so beautiful. Thank you. I ain't getting me ngishiye nkosi yami. Please. Ngishiye ne? Niyo eDevonport. Wangani bakho ngishiye. Hayi ngidlanyora. Anoke nisishade mini. Hayi angisazi. Ngisamncane mina ukushada nkosi yami. Still very young. Kuthiwa bekufika nje umuntu engimthanda kabi la azoguqa ngedolo athi nje will you marry me? Ngathi nje cho mfana wami imawo ngoba hayi I'm still very young. I'm assuming your neighbors will hate you if you play music on a speaker. Not really hate, but you know it's ebusuku and it's a Tuesday. Surely abantu abaningi bayavuka, so I can't just and sakaza music. That would be crazy actually. Same thing, mama. Thank you, Bushe. Mini, mama. Ano, mar. I'm glad. Ukuwenza umakoti mama ngoba ngishilo nje ngisamncane kabi mina ukuthi ngabe umakoti umuntu Nkosi yami. I'm very young. Thina sicela ukuya-group khona bafuna iy'ngane uyabona yini sengihlanyela yazi badlala ngami. You're so beautiful. Thank you, Hloni. Hloni the DJ. Yeah, Mini. Yeah, Brian. Hi, Stebaleba. Am I saying it right? Stebaleba. Amagameni are cool. Amagameni are like it's giving yadlala. Like I think is, but whatever. What's up? ufuna ukushada masungakanani mhlawumbe masesingabo masesinga-28 9 30 yabo lapho ya kwamanje hayi pholiwe. I would like to wife you guys. Why ngilokhu nifuna ukungishada? Like angifuna ukusho enye into mhlawumbe like cela i-account number yakho ngokuthi faka something. Ngiyadlala guys but le kushada thanks. Ngiyagcithiwe omuhle ngiyabonga please. These comments are wild. Uyababona yini bafuna imishado? Bafuna ama-marriage. Angikambi kancane. Hi Dosh. Wow, boutique one manje Brian. Yani no. I'll wait for you. Hi bro. Ama-assignment wasubmithile. Hey ngiwasubmithile ama-assignment wena musungiphaphela wena. Hey yabona nje ngifayile stress esikole. Ngimele kancane. Carolina Udese ser mimi mina Kadlala baby upila Piamo mimi mina baby pumula mamina Naishi namba umchingilani Banu umchingilani umchi oh I'm sorry umshingila Ngifunde igama lakho lengishesh. Tell me how do you practice self-care? Nje uyinakekela ensuring that you look good. Ngitshela ukuthi mina ngimuhle mina like you know nje like wenze sure ukuthi uhlezi uclean. Unakekele qoye kahle umoya kamnandi. Hlezi nje uqoqekile. Yeah. That's how I practice my self-care. Ukuthi ungamili kushide abanye abantu umuntu ekubhedela nje nginyeke kanjalo sisaveta. Msimbi neighbors you did lovely lips. Thank you. Got the nails done to you in December even before the actual December. Yeah, ngiredi. Please uyami ku December manje. Ayikho la. Give me darling. Hi Khotato. Hey kusema. Like we all over these days. Hey faith. Ngiyaselwa. Angilovi ngiyaselwa. Like alarm ngiliza kudala. And then you know angibonakala but okay so attend soon my lecture waphela yona Mr. Woodful sizoxabana sizoxabaniswa yini manje. My Instagram accounts goes something like _uminilo _NNIE.ee. Ngizovane ngifake bio on my account straight because I'm not going to keep it because I'm ngifakini. Let me just write it down. Let me see. Guys, kubhalwa kanjani ke la? Loyi hayi ke shuthi soriniki. Yangihlula lento le. Oh my. Will I be able to pin the comments here? That's my Instagram account. I think face over 40k before the week ends. We're already on 33.8. Thank you, Mshingila, for the roses. Let me get your Cash App. I don't have Cash App, but the account number ngayo. You do find dining here, but specific people. You're pretty ass. Thank you. And get people enjoying more game. Promise. Umuntu lo namhlanje yebo Nkosi yami. When is your birthday? You deserve a gift. My birthday is on the 1st of February. Soon. Kamanje nje. Hey Mbongeni Mkhwana njani? Volume please. Ish, sorry guys, phela bengithi mina ngisho ngibanga umsindi. On your IG, you actually look very tall. Very tall. I'm not tall. Okay, I'm tall to short people, and I'm short to tall people. And given, but I'm not tall. I'm just long-legged. Hi, Papa. What's up? Hey, kids. Hi, PK. Obote. What does obote mean? T. Obote. I don't understand. Therapy. I'm glad I'm giving you free therapy. I wish I have namhlanje. Nah. I went to gas gahle. When was I have? Nah. So we see more. Anone siqome phela nathi weminisa abantu nathi. Niyahlekisa kodwa. Lokuzana yathi we awusisonke man. Obote. What does obote mean, guys? Ubani ukhuluma isiSuthu? Long legged is accurate. Yeah. What else are we going with in December? Most probably long braids. We're gonna go to with inkloboni, but long braids. If not,
to pushing your business forward.
Ngazohlanya we-11 ufuna ukuzenza inzipho. Yebo. Never. Say Martin. College. Hello, mom. But I'm doing this, guys. I keep saying the same thing. I mean, when I was at the suit, yeah, phela ngoleyango ngiyayazi, you know, ngayifunda, but angana nokuthi isho ukuthini, angana nokuthi iqola ukuthini, but ngiyakwazi ukuyicula, but angisini umsuthu, and angisazi isuthu. Hi, hey, siyabonga njani. The pink nails, but I need to tune up this month. Yeah, most definitely. Now I was kind of disappointed because Benglindeli would, you know, it was just something lively, something that's case what's it is what it is. It was like nothing very ngazela because ngazela right bese ufaka ama-initial sami bazohlukana nawe labafana. Hayi bo, wazwa special bo. Masekuthini baby manje masengibhala abanye abafana kwamuyinzipho zami ngempela. Masekuthini mfana. Ngitshele. Hayi bo. Beautiful girl, thank you. Ngikhona as I got your invite right now. Get right and 1 minute. Ngenzeni manje la. Ngihlokothi ngiyabonga Mbali. Thank you. So Mandla in the building. Guys, nizongena kodwa izulu. Izulu kodwa nizongena. Hayi bo. Yeah, we Jesus. It's ngithule. There's so much in the building. Wamuhle ngathi awuyithandi imali. Ukhona yini umuntu ongayithandi imali futhi? Like, ukhona umuntu ongayithandi kodwa imali. Ngoba nawe nje ngoba ukhomenta lo muntu nawe imali uyayithanda nje uyayifuna. So hey DRCR. Yeah, my username in kodwa yonani. Pink or purple is your favorite color? Yep. Most definitely. I follow you. Thank you. Lord, most fish I have some many program. I ain't gay. If it's Bambi mobile phone. Namuhla abantu ngiyabonga ntokozo. Kuthini ke mina undaba wakho we JRP full. Kuthini lo ndalo ngempela? Hi beauty, hi Limise, unjani? Bellingham sengithathele. Yahlupha walaza phethu yazi. Ngiyajabula mangathi ngihlangana nawe. Mhlambe one day yokungibona ngidlula estradini sakini. Hey Davida, that means hello. Mina futhi la mingelela ama-out la ama-out la nhlezi ngiyabingelela. Khona oyedwa nje uthe wola. Uthi mina ngiphendule ngithini lo la. Like ngiphendule ngithini. So undanga ngingazi ukuthi usho uthi hello. But unjani ke? Ungile. Awukahle ngalazi. Wait, I'm doing okay. How are you? Let me say. Hi, Minzy. Been on live this whole time without following us, case. No problem. As long as you tell us bonil, balungis, then we good. Nice event. Oh, I didn't know that. I'm sorry. Fingers. Hey, Josh. Thank you to everybody who followed. Thank you. Hayi kufuna ngimfakele ingoma. Ngaze nithi ngilalelise ingoma ezithandwa yimina. Catalina, ustedes ser mimi mina, pula baby pula, llamo mimi, pula mamina.
Get the credit card that rewards you with up to 75% back on your heavy groceries and up to 50% back on personal care items.
Can I please have my name, Nana? Please, my name is Mini. In shorts. Thank you. Hey Kumalo, it's on the deep house. Not really. Ngilaleli, but ziyakhona lezo ingoma lezo ezimnandi. But do you watch any shows? Nope, I don't. Mina nokubuka something that needs concentration ende iyangihlula. I love you so much. Thank you, Ntombelani. Ayingeke ngifike ebhola njengamanje. Hi guys, hi Oguhle. So what do you do when you're relaxing? Music. I do a lot of things actually. Kuya nje ngemood yami ukuthi ngizizwa kanjani. When they decide to I love you so much. I said thank you, Ntombelani. Thank you for loving me. I don't know, ngibeka kanjani le nto le. Thank you, Kumalo. Hi, Spoonjan. Awunkosi yami Ntombi lami ngikuzwile ukuthi you love me. Awunkosi yami bandla. Hey. Thank you. Like, thank you. Roll. But uthi ngithini ngempela? Look at that shit. I love you. I love you so much. My favorite song. I'm glad ukuthi ngidlala i-favorite song yakho. Azomuhle ngiyabonga Zotha. Thank you. Ngiyabonga Ntombi lami. That was the right response, well, yeah. Because we're running team. But does that make me a bad person? To say I love you and then I said thank you? I don't think it does. Hey, Casanova. You're so beautiful. Thank you, Mfana Pitor. Lala Nin. Masengzela. Hi, Matandos. Can you sing for us? Angikwazi ukucula izilami nje awukusiyami kwavele ngikucrack igrenzini lapho amafoni. Ngazi ngaba ngicrack. Thank you, Lani, for the roses. Nataka uje. I understand into ebhalile fethu. Mhlezi ngiyabonga Khanyiso. Thank you. Everything le nto ukuthi thanks umuntu ethu uyakuthanda. But mina mangamthandi back, I have to say thank you. Because ngithi I love you too. Angimazi nokumazi leya muntu, so I can't really say that. So like, you're cute. Thank you. Thank you for the follows, guys. Thank you so much. I wonder if you can actually think you can get a call for TikTok live. Bakhona bathola naye mina nje kodwa nje ngeke nje usana. Ngeke nje. Ikabi. Njani ngiyaphila njani ishwar. Hlale Natal, yep. Hlala kwaZulu. Hi, my sister Njani Matanon. How are you?
You need to log into Shopify first and click apps. In the search box, type Zopi and search for it. On the app detail page, click install. Then
Thank
click
you,
install once more to
Scooter.
authorize Zopi. Once done, you can select a plan that's suitable. Happy selling and see you on our next videos.
Alright, Scott ngiya-right bandile wena njani? Amhlingani yabantu ngiyabonga Ntokozo. Hello Thulani. Njani? I'm alive when I hear the host conversating, but you can't because it's just compliments only, bro. Like, I have to just keep saying thank you, hi, how are you? Like, guys, say something a little more, you know, exciting. Ask me questions. Like, ask about me, Buzangami, at least. Like, I can't say thank you. Live yonke iziyophela. Lokho ngithe thank you nje, lokho ngithe hi, hey, thank you. Hi bo, Sam. Yonke vani ngivalise live le. Cause and comment izinto ezakha i-conversation. Like vele manje usecurity ngifuna ukuze egoli kule December ngizoya vele egoli kule December. Ngizoya fun. Hi Prince. Hi Tammy. angazi usukhona uthi imusho njalo but I'll assume ukuthi usho ukuthi ngihlala kuphi eDurban, Newlands East. Only one role model, but Sam. You're coming to Josie. Yeah, I might. Who's the artist on the song? It's gonna Drake and Party Next Door. My faves. Ngingayithola njani manje? Kuse ngayitholakala kona zihlobo ayitholakala. Ngumuntu onjani nje kodwa? Kanjani manje? Kulindawo kwemama angakwazi ngizobona. Ngilele ingane angizeli akuseyeli-ke kusawu-11 ngithi sangilele ingane ayami. Look beautiful, thank you Salvador. So Buntozi njani Junior? What are the chances Drake and PND come to SA Valley? Yo, I'm kodwa Sam. Okay, with Drake I think he's coming next year somewhere in January there. But with PND I'm not too sure. And I'm so excited. Ngingadayisa ngisho angazi ifresh lama ukuthi ngihambe ngibone uDrake. Like I swear. Ngingadayisa ngisho ifresh lama. So beautiful man. Thank you Makolos. Ngikhohle ukuthi uyabenza next week. Ngazongibhedela wena. Nayibhalabo. And ndiyakthanda ukushe. Ngishaye 360 icon. I'm sorry. Drake isn't coming, Minnie. Askis, hey, wo, uthini manje njani? Lungamoshi night yami. Ngiyacela, ungayimoshi. Ngithini mawuthi uDrake akezi next day like. Lezi indaba engiyizwile should false. Hawu kodwa Nkosi yami. Kuzoba nzima. Umuntu othanda nje ngoba ngikwenza ntokazi. Umuntu othanda into right, thanda into Let's put and click and get eyes one jam. Let's do it just go and thank you. Stable. Uthanda mina. Hey, aya ndizokhoza chaos la kule live yami. Ungiphumele. Ungiphumele. Ndizokhoza chaos la. Ubisa ngathi kodwa grade uvela uphase ngamalungisi usiqhatha nothisha. Ngangazenzi ingqondo yami yayiphapha ngazithi ngempela iplay futhi yasengihlekisa le comment. Bantu mina ngempela wazi ukuthi ngangiphasa kakhulu grade 10 noma uyayisholo nje ngoba iqiniso lelo grade 10 ngangiphasa like ngize ngiphume ngisho top 3 ngibe number 2. That's if sengafunda nawe ngempela kenzeka ukuthi uyayisholo nje. I don't want to ruin your nights, but it's not looking good. With what is it that you like the most? My man. Hello, keep us in the odds. No, thank you. Hello, darling. Hi, Smiley. Right, so glam and the fun. Hi, Kanisa and Jan. Thanks for the rose. Your eyes, Mama, they are attracting Jan. Gorgeous. Thank you. Get right to Jan. Okay, as usual, guys. Including Joshua, bedroom is low, so I have to dip. Akulalwe bo. Ngiyaphuma, sengiyaphuma Nkosi yami, sengiyaphuma. And the chance exiting. Beautiful mommy, thank you. Bye guys. Till next time. Take a shot.